Learning can be fun, unlocking joy in education. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's close to the heart of both teachers and students. Learning can be fun. We often think of studying as a serious, sometimes tedious task, but it doesn't have to be. Let's dive into how learning can be a joyful journey and why embracing fun in education is essential. Stay tuned. At its core, fun in learning transforms the educational experience. It's not just about laughter or entertainment. It's about making the process of acquiring knowledge engaging and enjoyable. This approach helps students stay motivated, curious, and eager to learn more. When learners find joy in their educational journey, they are more likely to retain information and develop a lifelong love for learning. Interactive learning. Interactive learning involves hands-on activities, games, and discussions that encourage students to actively participate. By engaging with the material in a dynamic way, learners can form a deeper understanding of the topics. Incorporating technology. Using educational technology tools, such as apps, videos, and online games, can make learning more appealing. These resources offer varied and customizable learning experiences that cater to different preferences and learning styles. Real-world connections. Making connections to real-world scenarios can illustrate the practical applications of knowledge. This relevance boosts learners' interest and shows them the value of their education beyond the classroom. Creating a positive learning environment where mistakes are seen as learning opportunities can significantly enhance the fun in learning. This environment encourages risk-taking, creativity, and innovation, key components in making learning enjoyable. When students feel supported and valued, their engagement and enthusiasm for learning skyrocket. In conclusion, learning can indeed be fun, and it's up to us, educators, students, and content creators, to unlock this potential. By integrating interactive activities, leveraging technology, connecting lessons to the real world, and fostering a positive learning environment, we can transform education into an exciting and fulfilling adventure. Remember, when learning is fun, the possibilities for growth and discovery are endless. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video inspires you to find joy in your learning journey.